everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a really special video. I've mentioned it's been coming for a while and I'm super excited that it's actually here because I want to say a huge, massive thank you to everyone who has been watching my videos, has subscribed to me, who comments on my videos. I love chatting to you all, you're all amazing. And I just wanted to do something to thank you. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Yay! Finally, she talked about it for a while and now it's actually here. So those of you who have seen the Ruby baby blanket video for this blanket here, you'll know that I spent a little while raving about how much I love the Scheepjes Colour Crafter yarn and how it's a really nice alternative for Stylocraft, which used to be my sort of go-to acrylic double knit yarn. So I'd heard a lot of good things about the Colour Crafter, so I was super keen to try it, which is why I used it for the Ruby baby blanket and have also gone on to use it for another blanket which will be coming to my channel very soon. You might have seen a sneak peek of it in my sneak peek video. So I mentioned in the Ruby baby blanket video that if you wanted to try it too, it was a good idea to stick around, and here we are. I really want you guys to try this yarn. So I have had a chat with Snufflebean and she has very kindly agreed to collaborate with me on a giveaway. The important question is, what am I giving away? Well, I am giving away five balls of Scheepjes Colour Crafter, which is more than enough to make the baby sized version of the Ruby baby blanket and is a great way for you to touch it, squish it, get a few different colours. I've got a few different colours here on my table already. It won't be these. It will be whatever colours you want. For this giveaway, I personally am going to buy them for you and cover the shipping. Laurelin is just very kindly going to be packaging them up for me and sending them out to you. How do you enter the giveaway? It's a 3-step process. It's really quick, only take you a couple of minutes, and this is how you enter the giveaway. First, you have to be a subscriber to my channel. So if you're not already, hit the subscribe button down here. Ideally, hit that notification bell as well, so you'll be first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, first step, subscribe to my channel. Second step, pop over to Snufflebean's website. I will leave a link in the description box below. And all you have to do is pop over there, look at the colour crafters and pick your favourite shade. For this entry, for the giveaway, you only need to pick one, but the winner gets to pick 5 of whatever shades they want. They could all be the same shade or they could all be different. So don't feel that just by picking one shade, that's the one that you're going to get, because whoever wins is free to choose whatever they want. All I want you to do is just pick your favourite shade. Now there's lots to choose from. I can give you what my favourite shade is. My favourite is Polaire. Now I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but this is my absolute favourite shade of the Colour Crafter. I've got tons of this stuff. It is a stunning, plummy, charcoaly, dark grey. It's amazing. This, hands down, my favourite shade. So don't let me influence you. You can pick whichever shade you like. Step 3, and this is the super duper important one. Come back here to this video and comment below telling me which is your favourite shade. That comment is your entry, so make sure you don't forget to actually write it down and tell me which is your favourite shade too. And if that wasn't enough, Snufflebean Yarn has incredibly generously offered all of you guys 10% off any orders of your Colour Crafter throughout the month of May. So if you are not the lucky winner, you can still get your hands on some and get it for an absolute bargain. There is a discount code that you can add, which is in the description box below. So don't forget to click that little arrow to expand it and get all the information about the discount coupon, when it ends, how long it's running for, all the sort of legal bits, all in the description box below. So that's it. That's all you have to do to enter this giveaway to win 5 balls of Colour Crafter yarn of your choice. Subscribe to my channel. Pop on over to Snufflebean Yarn. Take a look at all the Colour Crafter shades. Heads up, there are a few. Pick your favourite if you can. And then come back here and comment to tell me which shade is your favourite. The closing date for this giveaway is Sunday, 12th of May, and I'll be closing it at midday UK time. I'll pop that in the description below as well, but that should hopefully give you plenty of time to try and ponder which your favorite shade is. So I'd like to do a massive thank you to Laurelin for very generously giving us a 10% discount code. I'll be taking advantage of it for May. So please do support her too, because she is an absolute legend and she has done nothing but support me from the very start and encouraged me with my YouTube. So it would be fantastic if you guys could show her a little bit of love too by ordering even just 1 ball. She ships internationally. Her shipping rate is very, very cheap. I believe it's tax-free for all you internationals, which is super handy, especially when you're ordering lots of yarn, which hopefully you will. So I hope you enjoy this giveaway. Good luck and see you on the other side. I'm so excited. I can't wait to announce the winner.